Okay guys, muna mong research guys.
English lagi, English or English.
Research. We eating.
Where are yung mga eaters?
Welcome to the
Food
vlog.
is life.
Dala dyan ako muluspad ba?
So now guys, we're here in the salon. When we arrived, the manicurist was still attending to another customer, so we waited for a while.
This salon also rents out gowns, and the gay owner himself is the one who makes and designs them. He has a lot of gowns, guys. As you can see to the video, it's very nice, very beautiful.
The manicurist finally started attending to my mom.
So guys, there were lots of customers renting because it's Buwan ng Wika, or in English, the Language Month event.
And my mom's nails looks beautiful now.
And now we're going to Jollibee to grab some food because we're already hungry, guys.
Ala, happy ka sa imong kuan, imong manicure, imong pedicure. Happy ka?
Happy na lang, I'm happy.
Ansa? Happy na lang.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lee Makini.
Thank you, Ma'am Makini. Thank you, ha.
Now we're in the Jollibee, guys. Guys, I want to get our order, and when I came back, I saw my mom videoing the place and even me so, but turns out she didn't press okay, so my moment was wasted. So I ordered rice and chicken for Mama, one chicken joy with rice and drinks, since she said she'd eat again at home so she could have dinner with Papa and my nephew. I also got her takeout, but we ended up eating her burger steak instead. For me, I had one chicken and spaghetti. So our for takeout, guys, for my papa and my nephew, is for papa is one piece chicken burger steak and spaghetti. And then for my nephew, one piece chicken spaghetti and fries. By the way, I eat some fries because he's not really a fan of fries. I even remember when we went out before, I was the one who finished all his fries, guys, because he don't like carbs. I gave the extra money to Mama since she said she needed to buy food for our pigs. I went her first, then after that I headed to Pia's place so we could finish the chapter 1 of our research. Oh, 'di ba? Still kuan as a good student. Sorry.
Tarungan na nang hidaan na ninyo ni Bernice, oy. Lu. Pati ko po ni mo, lu. Ako nagpipi.
Asa ba na, uy?
No, taas mo dapo ay.
Oh, wow.
I'm with Berna, guys, after doing my research. Yeah. And also, yeah, sabi pa nga ni mo, Marvy. Look at that, guys. It's so very nice.
Guys, guys, so kanang nanamid we are near now in the middle of the
Night. The middle of nowhere.
No, this said early pa gani ron. As you can see, guys, a lot of people here, guys.
Yes, guys.
Because Pista here is coming. Pista. Ayaw magulo mo di. Oy, lag siya, no?
Yeah, nasa night.
Nasa night.
Ito lagi tayo. Karay na itlog.
Dito, bili ka na. You buy egg. Pila ka buok? So we're near now, guys. We are sit here because we going to eat the boiled egg. This is Marvy, guys. Marvy, say hi, Marvy. You're so pretty, Marvy. Huh? Oh, di ba mo kulingon?
Hello, guys. After
Eat na.
research, guys, we need egg.
Egg.
Hindi mo magaon na yun sa pagkakas. Sakit tayo, nagmasakit.
Tapi kung saan yung paano niya kaon?
Smile.
Tidak.
Ay!
Ano lang yung kaon?
Ano lang?
So, Bernard is going to eat here shumai and hugging rice, guys. Because she didn't eat a dinner in her house.
Sa butuhan niya ba no?
It will burn na.
Thank you, Marvy. Madi, you just pay the entrance.
pesos. We have our ticket now. So that's the first wheel, guys. Saka gani? Saka gani? Ikaw, asa inyo ha? First wheel mo?
We bought tickets for the Ferris wheel which cost 50 pesos. We actually wanted to ride the Viking, guys, but it was a bit expensive. Ferris wheel instead. The problem was only 2 people were allowed per seat, so Brina ended up riding with someone else who also want to join.
Guys, nasustuck na! So Berna is over there. Hala! Guys, my unbothered queen. No, she kept saying she's scared, but look at that. What she doing, guys? Still has doing selfie. Wow, so unbothered. We're in the top, guys. Look at the view. Nice view. This is my first time. It's not that scary. Oh my god. Without no tree. There's no tree. It's Bruno keeps saying that there's no thrill, and Marvy like nothing happened. So we're back in the park because they are very disappointed, guys, for the Ferris wheel because there's no thrill. Finally, no, kaya ni-work na siya. Di pa doon daw ko, pagpili daw. It's very nice. Ha? Kani?
So, hello guys, just got home from the little storing with Brina and Marvy. So, yeah. By the way, we're going to unbox the Amazon wish list jar. Or the gift, guys. It just got delivered. So, I'll get it first. So, tada! So this is it, guys. Let's open it. Oh, I forgot the scissors. Wait, let me get it. Oh wait. So let's open it, everyone. Oh, that's let's open it, guys. No need for scissors. What's in the box? Oh, wow. It's a bag. Oh, so nice. And there's formula. Wow. There's a letter here. Let's check it. Enjoy your gift from Maddie's Fat Wallet King. Oh, it's the same. Enjoy your gift from Maddie's Fat Wallet King.
thank you so much. My fat wallet king. Char. Thank you so much. It's very nice. Well, the one who choose it man. Char. Oh, it's more. Wow. Char. And let's open it. What's inside? Char, I know I already know what's inside, but let's open it to show guys. Char. Ta-da-da-da. Wow. Oh, the headphone. Finally, I'm not gonna struggle with my what's this headset? Deaf headset. Wow. Char. Wow. Very nice. Charis. Wow, super nice everybody. Sure. Okay, thank you so much. Let's put it back. Oh, it's very nice. I like it. Sure. You know why I choose pink? Is it pink? Sorry, I'm colorblind, and I'm just using the lights, not the fan. It's already night here, so I don't know if it's pink or what. Because someone told me that I'm so boyish though choosing the black color. I don't know. Okay. Being someone said that. Oh, the chicken. Someone said that girls don't daw. Because girls is must be. The chicken is always interrupting me. Sure. Because the girls should the favorite color is pink or light colors like that, but I don't know why I like black, but I like black. So what's inside? Sorry. Okay, you can see pala, sorry. Ta-da! Uy, it's very nice. Wala. Wow. Wow. Guys, it's nice. Chada. Very nice. Like the style. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my fat wallet king, Charis. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Even I'm tired, I'm very happy opening this box. This gift. Charis. Oh, it's very nice here. Very nice. You know what? I'm very stressed earlier because of our research. Stress. But now, guys, that I opened up. Charot lang. The chicken is always the chicken want to be part of my video. Let's open it. It's very seldom but let's open it. So we're gonna use the scissors now. Wow. Black again. What's the... Oh, my mic.
I'm back. Char. So guys, let's open it. Wow. Ay, ay. Wow, it's so nice. Very big. It's good for, I think, oh, let's open this way. If I'm right, then I'm right. If I'm, I think this is the for travel. Oh yeah, I'm right nga. Backpack. I like backpack. Oh yeah, it's for travel, guys. Yeah. You don't need a luggage. So there's a lot of rooms for your things. I'll rate it. Charot, I rate ratings. It's nice, man. Well, I'm the one who choose it. Charot. Yes. Oh, it's very nice. Look at that. Oh. I can put my on here my things. Boy, thank you so much, Yukan. My fat wallet. Why you name your kan fat wallet man? Well, it's very. Oh, there's. By the way, guys, there's another one. Let's skip ko man ay. My mic is always dropping man. Sorry for the. This is it. Pansit. I think I don't know scissors na. Oh. Tada! Wow! Ay, Converse! So, I look tall na here wearing this one. Okay, thank you so much. Wow, very wow. Guys, very wow. So let's find the card. Oh, there's two. Enjoy your gift from this fat wallet king. Again. Well, I really appreciate it. Thank you. Very thank you, guys. I fat wallet king. Thank you. But for those who's watching and supporting me silently, thank you. Still, thank you. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. No, thank you for this. Well, why I choose this one because of that, so I don't look small. Sorry, but I like the style. I like the Converse. Very, very nice. Thank you so much. I childish. So very thank you. I'm so happy. I think I can sleep. Char. I can sleep of the happiness. Charot, I thank you so much. I really thank you. I'm really grateful. Really thankful to you, my fat wallet king. Char. I like watching my face here. Sorry. I have the guys. It's very nice. My stress is stress out. Charis, I'll keep it na lang. I like keeping cards. I still have the old one. I'll get it. I'll show you. Still here. I still in my. I don't know why I keep it. But okay, I'll get it, guys. I'll get it. here, guys. Still have it. And this is the one. My nails is I have the one for the esticam, yeah, it's still here from Terry. It's still here from Terry, the Silas King, and also from Kit Gordon. Thank you so much. Again, guys, thank you for all the support, gift, and always take care. Keep safe, everybody. Stay healthy. Drink more water. Stay hydrated. I'm shy. So much again, my Fat Wallet team. Heart. Momo. Bye-bye. Guys, it's very nice. It's very nice kayo. It's really nice. I'm not gonna have this now already. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. My God, I don't know how. Guys, nalasagan to po.